In this video, we're going to show you to install front sway bar end links on your Honda Ridgeline located behind your front wheels. Using a 22mm socket, you want to go loosen and remove your lug nuts. Now that you have your lug nuts removed, grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Now behind your front wheel, you would normally locate your sway bar end link located from here, attached from your strut, and it goes down to the actual sway bar itself. Well, ours is completely missing except for the nut and the stud here that's going through, as well as down below. Now what we're going to use is on the factory one, there's a number 6 Allen key right here in the middle of the bolt, and then we have a nut right here, which is a 17mm. So in our particular case, we need to use heat because ours is rusted so bad to heat up this nut and remove these pieces right here. And we're going to do the same down below. Now that we have our 2 studs out, we can go ahead and install our new link. Now when installing your sway bar end link here, there is a spot here for a thin wall wrench. Not a standard size because it'll pinch it. So you would basically just kind of put that on that, put this through, we can go ahead and install our nut. And what you're doing with that thin wall wrench is keeping that shaft from spinning when you tighten this down, because this is a pinched self-locking nut, so it might spin the shaft inside. Now let's go ahead and repeat this process for the bottom, but you will not be able to use the impact driver. You're going to have to use a standard wrench to go ahead and tighten down that nut. Now I'm going to install the lower portion without bending the ball stud down too far. You can see that it hits the sway bar itself. You can simply use a pry bar, get underneath and just gently lift up on that and push that in to get that to line up. Go ahead and get that nut started. Let's go ahead and tighten this down. Now that we have that snug, I want to go ahead and torque these down. So we're going to use our 18mm crow's foot here to go ahead and torque these down. We torque down these nuts to 58 foot-pounds. Do the same for the lower. Once you've torqued these down, you can install the front wheel. You want to go ahead and repeat this process for the driver's side. Okay, and grab that wheel. Line that up. Let's go ahead and get our lug nuts all started by hand. Once these are all started, I'm going to go ahead and snug them all down. Torque down your lug nuts to 94 foot-pounds. When doing this, you want to do this in a crisscross or star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.